We all have inner critics, and 70% of the nonsense that your inner critic says is negative. That's across the board humanity, okay? 70% is negative. Now, if we give that inner critic a name, we think about it as a parent. You name your child, it's your child, right? Name your inner critic. As human beings, we name things as ownership, okay? You own your inner critic. Your inner critic is part of you and you control it.
Oh, is this to keep your inner critic from controlling you?
It is. Now, there are some people that will try to take that inner critic and stifle them, push them down. When they hear the negative chatter in their own head, the thought is, go away, shut up, right? Shut up, I don't want to hear it, I'm not listening to you. And that's actually not the best approach. The best approach, your inner critic is very childlike. Your inner critic doesn't have the same life experience that you do as an adult. So if we look at that inner critic, like Lisa said, I hug my inner critic. Yes, we wanna care for that inner critic the same way that we would a scared child. It's nurturing, it's loving, it's, I hear you that you're scared about this, but I got it.
Like if a 3-year-old comes to you and grabs your hand and says, we have to be careful when we're crossing the street or else we're going to get hit by a car and die. Like, you're right, we'll be careful, right? Like, that's how you silence your inner critic, right? Because accepting the utility part of whether or not it's true, but whether or not it's useful.